Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless LAN module, display panel assembly, hinge cap, display bezel, display panel, and left display panel hinge. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.